Bonjour à tous, c'est Mr. Springer, et dans cette vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment faire un devoir écrit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a writing assignment in your online French class. So first of all, we need to go to whatever module we're in. And when I'm ready to submit my assignment, I am going to go to that exact assignment link here, the one with the paper symbol, not the hyperlink symbol. And from here, I'm going to want to browse my computer to upload an attachment. You don't want to really write it in here, and you definitely don't want to write it in the comments box. You want to upload an attachment. It's going to allow me to comment directly on your attachment if I want to, or if I think that's best in terms of communicating my feedback. So let me show you an example of a document I've been working on here. I'm using Google Docs today. You could use Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Both of them work just great for producing an attachment that you can upload in class. So I'm done with my document here. I think I'm ready to go with my assignment. I will want to make sure I name it appropriately, and I want to really encourage you to adopt a naming convention that goes with the assignments. That way it's easy to find them on your computer or in your Google Drive if you ever want to redo the assignment or look up your work after you're done with the course. So this assignment's named 1.02, La Famille Written Assignment, so I'm going to call it the same thing. Okay. And then from here in Google Docs, you're going to want to go to File and then Download As, and I encourage you to check PDF. Now a DocX will also work. I almost always favor a PDF version of any writing that I produce when I share it, because a DocX, I could open that, or someone else could open that as a Word document and then edit the work. And sometimes when I create something, I don't want others to be able to edit it. I want it to be, nice and secure, and it's my work, and you can't really change it. So that's why I tend to prefer PDF, but really PDF or DocX, either way will work. So I'm going to choose PDF, download it to my computer, and then from here I'm going to need to go ahead and save it somewhere. I'm just going to throw it on my desktop. That way I can browse my computer and upload it. So I'm going to go back to Blackboard here. Now, like I said before, attached file, browse my computer, there it is right on my desktop, and then I'm good to go. All I need to do is click submit. If you want to write any comments to me, you can do that down in the comments box, like I was unsure about number 2 or anything like that. That's what the comments box is for, if you want to say something like that. Click submit, and I can tell right away if I'm successful or not, because the attached file will give me a preview right here. So if that preview doesn't show up, then the attachment didn't go through and you may need to redo it again. Let me show you just one more thing, and that is why I have you attach a file as opposed to just write your response. I want to show you how that benefits me and how it can benefit you as a student as well. So I'm going to go into my grades, and I'm going to view an assignment that I already submitted as a student, and then I already had graded. I went in and graded it as the instructor, and I can tell it's been graded because there's a score next to it, and then there's a little speech bubble, which is how I give feedback. And when I look at it, it says, I really appreciate seeing what you had to share here. Seems like you're understanding how to describe yourself in some simple sentences. Please open your document to see my comments. And there's where it is. Without an attachment, I can't mark up your work like I did here. So I'm instructing the student to open the document. How do we do that? Well, one of two ways. I can either go right over to the name of the document here, Les Adjectifs Written Assignment, open it up, and voila, I can see this feedback right in the middle of the attachment. Okay, so it shows that same attachment preview with Mr. Springer's feedback. Or the other option is to actually go into the module and find the assignment right within here. And this will open up the same thing with the same feedback and whatnot. So that's just real quick how to submit a writing assignment. Just as a reminder, always make an attachment. PDF or DocX will do. Doesn't matter whether you use Microsoft Word or Google Docs to create that file, but it must be a PDF or a DocX. Upload your attachment, you can see the preview of it, and that also allows me to comment on your work if I want to. And if I do comment on it, I will tell you in the feedback to learner. I'll say, please open your document to see my comments. All right? Thank you so much. And as always, if you have questions on this or anything else, just let me know.